Every business needs financial oversight, transparency, governance, and control. But when it comes to expense management and compliance, things can get complicated. The goal is clear. You need exacting methods for managing spend and to ensure employees are following spending rules, because any way you look at it, mistakes are costly. However, maintaining a 24/7 watchful eye over employee spend and manually reviewing 100% of expense reports just isn't feasible. But what if it was? What if you could harness the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation to get the peace of mind of 100% review without the manual labor? What if you could build strategies to improve accuracy and compliance that are efficient, streamlined, and automated? SAP Concur is committed to helping you build a culture of compliance. We understand that your business faces unique challenges and one size doesn't always fit all. That's why we offer a diverse portfolio of solutions for risk and compliance, including regulatory, tax and corporate policy compliance. Plus, we've partnered with some leading experts in the field to provide even more solutions to address your specific needs. Want to spend more time resolving issues instead of looking for them? Harness the power of automation and gain more control over spend with solutions like Intelligent Audit and Verify. Using intelligent technology, these solutions can help you drive compliance through early identification of errors, so corrections can be made before there's a financial impact. And employees can be educated on policies in a timely manner to mitigate future mistakes. With the Concur Detect solution by Oversight, you can use AI and machine learning to automatically analyze expense reports, uncover suspicious activity before payment, and identify patterns of repetitive misuse or fraud. Each year, billions of eligible direct and indirect value-added tax, goods and service tax, and harmonized sales tax funds go unclaimed. If you are ready for a more sophisticated and efficient approach to global tax compliance and to maximize profitability, the Concur Tax Assurance solution by Blue Dot can help you navigate complex, country-specific regulations, automate data validation, and make sure you're not missing out on recoverable expenses. And avoid audits and costly penalties with the Concur Benefits Assurance solution by Blue Dot. This solution can help your business automatically extract hard-to-find taxable employee benefits out of expense reports, streamline compliance, improve accuracy, and reimburse with confidence with SAP Concur Risk and Compliance Solutions. Learn more. Schedule your demo today.